Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting topic that's sure to grab your attention. We're exploring 5 amazing foods that can supercharge your memory and boost your brain power. So, if you want to enhance your cognitive function and keep your brain in top shape, stay tuned. 1. Blueberries. Our first brain-boosting food is a delicious and vibrant 1. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and flavonoids, blueberries are known to improve memory and cognitive function. These tiny, powerful berries can help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. 2. Fatty fish. Next up, we have fatty fish, such as salmon, trout, and sardines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish are essential for the development and function of the brain. Omega-3s contribute to the building of brain cell membranes and have been linked to improved memory and cognitive performance. So, make sure to include fatty fish in your meals for a brain-boosting omega-3 boost. 3. Broccoli. Now, let's talk about a veggie superhero, broccoli. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin K, broccoli promotes healthy brain function. Vitamin K is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat concentrated in brain cells. So, if you're looking to support your brain health, don't forget to add broccoli to your plate. 4. Dark chocolate. Who said indulging can't be good for your brain? Our fourth food is a delightful treat, dark chocolate. Rich in antioxidants, caffeine, and flavonoids, dark chocolate can enhance memory and improve cognitive function. Remember, moderation is key, so treat yourself to a square or 2 of dark chocolate for a tasty brain boost. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Last but not least, we have pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, and copper. Pumpkin seeds support brain health by providing essential minerals that play a crucial role in cognitive function. Snack on a handful of pumpkin seeds for a convenient and nutritious brain-boosting snack. There you have it, 5 incredible foods that can supercharge your memory and enhance your brain power. Remember, a healthy diet is just one part of maintaining optimal brain function. Combine these foods with regular exercise, proper sleep, and mental stimulation for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on health and well-being. Until next time, take care of your brain and stay healthy.